love purity, and as yajna is a pious and divine act, all the materials being used in yajna must be pure and sanctified. And as we are involved in this act, our thoughts, emotions, and actions must also be purified. Here, our volunteers will sprinkle holy water on all the participants. With this, feel that purity and sanctity is showering on all the participants. The body is being cleansed, character is being ennobled, the mind is being cleansed, thoughts are being ennobled, the heart is being cleansed, our sentiments are being ennobled. All the participants now chant the Sanskrit mantras along with us.
ॐ पवित्रता मम
ॐ पवित्रता मम
मनः काय
मनः काय
अन्तःकरणेषु
अन्तःकरणेषु
संविशेत्
संविशेत्।
Now, feel that we have been gifted by purity and sanctity and with internal purity and sanctity. Pray with folded hands that may sanctity lead us to the righteous path.
ॐ पवित्रता नः
ॐ पवित्रता नः
सन्मार्गं नयेत्
सन्मार्गं नयेत्।
May sanctity provide magnificence to us.
ॐ पवित्रता नः
ॐ पवित्रता नः
महत्तां प्रयच्छतु
महत्तां प्रयच्छतु।
May sanctity provide peace to us.
ॐ पवित्रता नः
ॐ पवित्रता नः
शान्तिं प्रददातु
शान्तिं प्रददातु।
Now, return to the normal posture.
सूर्यध्यानि प्राणायामः
The sun is continuously transmitting the vital energy, the Pran Shakti, and we all are deriving a limited amount of it. The mankind has the rare distinction to receive and assemble this vital energy by their own efforts. The Mahapran, endowed with this vital energy, have performed extraordinary deeds, even though physically they appear to be ordinary persons. We are also to acquire this vital energy to build up the bright future for humanity. Now, please sit erect in a meditational posture and assume that the white celestial clouds are hovering around us. And let us pray with folded hands. O Mahapran, rid us of all evils and endue us with excellence.
ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्नआसुव।
Now retain your normal posture and inhale through your both nostrils gradually. Retain the breath inside for some time and exhale slowly and keep outside for a while. During this whole procedure of pranayama, feel that our entire physical being is absorbing the vital energy of Savita. It is becoming vibrant. Our entire mind is absorbing the brilliance of Savita. It is becoming brilliant. Our heart is absorbing the radiant warmth of Savita. It is becoming radiantly warm and compassionate. Now, open your eyes and retain your normal posture. We all get illuminated and enlightened with both externally and internally.
धारणम्
Tilak is applied on the forehead as a symbol of sublimity and self-esteem. All the physical actions are governed by thought. Body is a machine moved by thought. Therefore, if divinity is induced our thought, then all actions will be sublime. All volunteers are requested to please distribute sandal paste to our delegates. Take the sandal paste at the tip of the fourth finger, keep it in front. Fix your eyes steadily on it and repeat the following Sanskrit Sutra followed by us. Our mind may be peaceful.
Om Mastishtvam Santam Bhuyat.
Om Mastishtvam Shantam Bhuyat.
Our mind may not get perturbed.
Om Anuchitah Aveshah Ma Bhuyat.
Om Anuchitah Aveshah Ma Bhuyat.
Our head may remain high.
Om Sesham Unnatam Bhuyat.
Om Shirsham Unnatam Bhuyat.
We may always be guided by wisdom and foresight.
Om Vivekah Sthiri Bhuyat.
Om Vivekah Sthiri Bhuyat.
Chant Gayatri Mantra and apply the sandal paste from bottom to top with the sense of reverence on your forehead.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Sankalp Sutra Dharanam.
Man is great and still greater is his creator. So said by our Param Pujya Gurudev, Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji. In present, the human race is facing frightening problems. The human race is facing the problems created by itself. The supreme power is determined to ward off the ills afflicting the humanity and usher into a new era. Devoted persons can help in the divine task of successfully bringing about the change in the environment by their efforts and noble deeds, and can change the turn of Mahakal into a visible reality. In the present wave of transition, when the collective human efforts are at most required to share partnership with Mahakal, there is threefold self-effort services of USA. You might be thinking of United States of America, but it's not like that. USA stands for Upasana, Sadhana and Aradhana. Upasana is to sit nearby and connect yourself with the Almighty. Sadhana is molding life in accordance with the divine discipline. And Aradhana is the selfless service to make the omnipotent creation even more attractive, beautiful and lively. The two practices of time donation and resource donation is attached can be achieved through the Upasana, Sadhana and Aradhana. The two practices of time donation and resource donation can be practiced as follows. Time donation means utilizing potential wealth of man wisely for the righteous purposes, and resource donation can be performed by contributing a part of our wealth and resource for God's work as a bounty received from the God. For this purpose of USA, that is Upasana, Sadhana and Aradhana, let's take a pledge of adopting two practices of time donation and resource donation in our life. Now you all are kindly requested to take the sacred thread in the left hand and cover it with the right hand and affirm, we accept the discipline of God.
Om Ishanushashanam Swikaromi.
Om Ishanushashanam Swikaromi.
We shall adopt the righteous conduct.
Om Maryadam चरिष्यामि
ॐ मर्यादां चरिष्यामि
We shall not adopt what is unrighteous.
ॐ वर्जनीयं नो चरिष्यामि
ॐ वर्जनीयं नो चरिष्यामि
Now touch the sacred thread with the forehead and tie the same in each other's right hand. And married women should get tied in the left hand while chanting the Gayatri Mantra.
भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् कलशपूजनम्
The divine powers are constantly engaged in promoting well-being of people of the world. Kalash is a symbol of cosmos. All the divine powers visualized in Kalash, which has the capability to accommodate them with sacred water being symbolic of faith. All the divine powers work together in their mutual cooperation and are called Devata. The representative should perform Kalash Pujan on behalf of all present on deity's dais, and all others should play silently with their folded hands. O God, deepen and strengthen our faith and devotion, and hence our dedication towards sacred deeds. May we, persons of different temperaments and different qualifications, unite to perform all holy rituals and virtuous deeds. Now let us chant the mantra.
कलशस्य मुखे विष्णु कण्ठे रुद्रः समाश्रितः मूले तस्य स्थितो ब्रह्मा
मध्ये मातृगणा स्मृता कुक्षौ तु सागरा सर्वे सप्तद्वीपा वसुन्धरा ऋग्वेदोऽयजुर्वेदः सामवेदो अथर्वणः अङ्गैश्च सहिताः सर्वे आदित्या वसवो रुद्रा विश्वे देवा सपैत्रिका त्वयि तिष्ठन्ति सर्वेऽपि यतः कामफलप्रदा त्वत्प्रसादादिमं यज्ञं कर्तुमीहे जलोद्भव सान्निध्यं कुरु मे देव प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा प्रसन्नो भव सर्वदा स्वयं भगवान हमारे गुरु परम सौभाग्य हमारा है भगवान हमारे गुरु परम सौभाग्य हमारा है स्वयं नारायण नर्तन धरे हमारे बीच पधारा है
स्वयं नारायण नर्तन करे पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। यथा सूर्यस्य कान्तिस्तु श्रीरामे विद्यते ह्यः सर्वशक्तिस्वरूपायै दिव्यै भगवत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुवे नमः। आवाहयामि स्थापयामि ध्यायामि। ॐ आयातु वरदे देवी त्यक्षरे ब्रह्मवादिनी गायत्री छन्दसा माता ब्रह्मयोनि नमोऽस्तुते। ॐ श्री गायत्र्यै नमः। आवाहयामि स्थापयामि ध्यायामि।
देव नमस्कारः।
Namaskar means salutation, an expression of our own reverence and devotion towards divine forces. A maxim, he who is polite gets everything, means modest and polite person cherish all the desires by the wishes of others. 9 fountainheads of divinity are illustrated over here. All are requested to chant the mantras along with us. Salutation to all the divine forces who generously shower their gifts on all and inspire us to do likewise.
ॐ सर्वाभ्यो देवशक्तिभ्यो नमः।
नमः।
Salutation to those who have attained divinity and dedicated themselves for correcting celestial environment around with us.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यो देवपुरुषेभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to exalted souls who devoted themselves for the propagation of virtuous tendencies.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यो महाप्राणेभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to those Maharudras who provide us strength for fighting against evil.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यो महारुद्रेभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to immortal luminous God who lead us from darkness to light.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यो आदितेभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to all motherly forces who are embodiment of affection, awakeners of benign, kindly feelings.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यो मातृशक्तिभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to all the divine holy pilgrimage centers.
ॐ सर्वेभ्यः तीर्थेभ्यो नमः।
Salutation to the goddess of supreme knowledge.
ॐ महाविद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to Mahakal, the absolute cause of all.
ॐ एतत् कर्म प्रधान श्रीमन्महाकालाय नमः।
Now, return to your normal posture.
The mind wishes to adore one for whom it has real reverence and faith. The activation and a strengthening of faith is the real form of adoration. In this process, some symbolic offerings are made as a devotion, as a token of our contribution towards the divine forces. The 5 symbols of Panchopchar Pujan depict the 5 capabilities that we offer to the divine forces. Now, the selected representatives are requested to kindly help our guests in Panchopchar Pujan. Rest are requested to hear the prayer and feel that they are themselves making the offerings. Let us pray with folded hands. Om
सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः जलं गन्धाक्षतं पुष्पाणि धूपं दीपं नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि
ततो नमस्कारं करोमि
ॐ नमो स्वनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्ते सहस्रपादाक्षि शिरोरुबाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः। दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है
दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है
आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे
आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे
आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे
आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे
दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है
दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है
आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे
आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे
आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे
आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे
पावन हिमालय से ऋषि मुनि आए
पावन हिमालय से ऋषि मुनि आए
ईश्वर का संदेशा लाए
ईश्वर का संदेशा लाए
अनुदान अनमोल पालो रे अनुदान अनमोल पालो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ जीवन को भाग्य जगा लो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे देव शक्तियाँ उमड़ रही हैं देव शक्तियाँ उमड़ रही है असुर शक्तियाँ भाग रही हैं असुर शक्तियाँ भाग रही हैं धरती को स्वर्ग बना लो रे धरती को स्वर्ग बना लो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ जीवन भाग्य जगा लो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है दीप यज्ञ का पर्व आया है आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे आओ जीवन को धन्य बना लो रे आओ सुख सौभाग्य जगा लो रे
गायत्री स्तवनम्
The deity of Gayatri Mahamantra is Savita. The source of light, energy and consciousness is called Savita. Therefore, sun is regarded as Savita. In Gayatri Stavan, Savita is synonymous with the god, the primordial source of life, energy, light and consciousness. Now chant the Gayatri Stavan along with us. ॐ यन्मण्डलं दीप्तिकरं विशालं रत्नप्रभन्ति ब्रह्मणादिरूपं दारिद्र्यदुःख
Yajna is a comprehensive term. To incorporate high ideals in life is known as Yajna. Participants' mind get fully concentrated in Yajna Bhavana. Gayatri Mahamantra with Swaha be chanted together for 12 times. In the end of each mantra, Idam Gayatri Idam Namam means it is not mine, which repeated. Yajna and Gayatri are two pillars of Indian culture. The song of Gayatri with the sense of gratitude towards Ma Gayatri. Let us start the song of Gayatri.
Oh
Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. You are dearer to us than our life. You are dearer to us than our life. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. You always keep us off from heavens. You always keep us off from heavens. You give us our desired bliss. You give us our desired bliss. In this very earthly life, in this very earthly life. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. You are the creator of the whole universe.
You are the creator of the whole universe.
You keep all things under your control.
You keep all things under your control.
You are the abbot of all.
You are the abbot of all. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence.
Always safeguard our intellect from all evils.
Always safeguard our intellect from all evil,
That we might otherwise fall into.
that we might otherwise fall into.
Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Guide us to the righteous path. Guide us to do only what is good.
Guide us to the righteous path. Guide us to do only what is good.
Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Oh Lord, you are the cause of our existence. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्varinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्varinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्varinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्varinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurбhuva Swaha Tatsavituर्varinyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा इदं गायत्रीदं नमामः
महामृत्युंजय मंत्राहुति
Now it's time to make joint prayer to the Lord of Time, the Destroyer, the Mahakal. Put your fist up in the direction of the sky and connect yourself with Mahakal.
बोलिए युगाधिपति महाकाल की
जय।
युगाधिपति महाकाल की
जय।
युगाधिपति महाकाल की
जय।
जय महाकाल 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 जय
महाकाल जय महाकाल जय महाकाल
Removers of sins and all evils, transformer of error and goodwill.
Removers of sins and all evils, transformer of error and goodwill.
Along with the Supreme Mother Deity,
Along with the Supreme Mother Deity,
transforming the universe and all, transforming the universe and all. Jai Mahakal, 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 Jai Mahakal. Who has awakened the lethargic souls, provided them some useful roles.
who has awakened the lethargic souls, provided them some useful roles,
Enlighten them for ultimate goal.
enlighten them
for ultimate goal. Motivated, prudent, inspiring all.
that by sitting in the holy premises of we can pray for the whole universe, for peace of the whole universe. On this auspicious day, Mr. Kailash Patel and Sushma Manji of London are having their birthdays. Also, our honorable guest, Padma Shri Dr. D.R. Karthikeyanji is also having birthday. And all those delegates who are having their birthdays in this week, we wish for their bright future and for long life. With this, Mr. Shanti Kumar Manji and Mr. Padmavati Devi of Gayatri Parivar have also their marriage anniversary. We wish them for their happy and successful marriage life. Let's fold our hands and chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् स्वाहा इदं महामृत्युञ्जयाय इदं नमः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् स्वाहा इदं महामृत्युञ्जयाय इदं नमः ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् स्वाहा इदं महामृत्युञ्जयाय इदं नमः.
Now return to your normal posture.
पूर्णाहुति.
God is absolute as well as ultimate. As we are the part of eternal spirit, our aim should also to become complete in godliness. The aim of yajna is to make life yajnamay. A yajna is never performed half-heartedly. Noble thoughts and emotions coupled with firm determination result in righteous actions. Thus, in Purnahuti of Deep Yajna, we resolve to incorporate high ideals in our life and individual and collective lives. This can't be achieved at very sudden moment, but only step by step. Let us take our first step by living our impurity and adopting positivity and spreading good wills, good thoughts, good deeds to others. Now, let us chant the mantra with folded hands.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते स्वाहा ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णत्वं स्वाहा.
Now, return to your normal posture.
नीराजनम् आरती.
Aarti is a humble emotional prayer to God. The flame of Aarti is the symbol of soul. Our actions of life should revolve around the Supreme Soul and Spirit in the accordance with His sanctioned disciplines. All the volunteers are requested to bring Aarti and reach near Dev Manch. All the participants sitting at their places repeat the verses along with us.
यं ब्रह्म वेदान्तविदो वदन्ति परं प्रधानं पुरुषं तथान्ये विश्वोत्पत्ति कारणमीश्वरं वा तस्मै नमो विघ्नविनाशनाय. ॐ यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुता स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैः स्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गप्रदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थितगतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यां तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः
जय गायत्री माता अवतारिणी अनके अज आनंद राशि माज आनंद राशि अविकारी अगहरी अविचलित अमले अविनाशी जयति जय गायत्री माता कामधेनु सतचित आनंदा जय गंगा गीता माँ जय गंगा गीता सविता की शाश्वती शक्ति सावित्री सीता जयति जय गायत्री माता ऋग यजु साम अथर्व प्रणयनि प्रणव महामहिमे माँ प्रणव महामहिमे कुंडलिनी सहस्रार सुषुम्ना शोभा गुण गरिमे जयति जय गायत्री माता स्वाहा स्वधा शुचि ब्रह्माणि राधा रुद्राणि माँ राधा रुद्राणि जय सतरूपा वाणी विद्या कमला कल्याणी जयति जय गायत्री माता जननी हम हैं दीनहीन दारिद्र के घेरे दुख दारिद्र के घेरे यद्यपि कुटिल कपटी कपूत्र तम बालक है तेरे जयति जय गायत्री माता स्नेहसनी करुणामयी माता शरण शरण दीजे माँ शरण शरण दीजे बिलख रहे हम शिशु सुख तेरे दया दृष्टि कीजे जयति जय गायत्री माता नाम क्रोध मद लोभ दंभ दुर्भाव द्वेष हरिये दुर्भाव द्वेष हरिये शुद्ध बुद्ध निष्पाप हृदय मन को पवित्र करिए जयति जय गायत्री माता तुम समर्थ सब भांति तारिणी तुष्टि पुष्टि त्राता माँ तुष्टि पुष्टि त्राता सतमार्ग पर हमें चलाओ जो है सुखदाता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता सतमार्ग पर हमें चलाओ जो है सुखदाता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता जयति जय गायत्री माता
Chanting Gayatri Mantra, receive the warmth, pious light of Aarti and consider that this flame will also enlighten our wisdom. Om
भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
जय घोष।
गायत्री माता की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
यज्ञ भगवान की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
वेद भगवान की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
भारतीय संस्कृति की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
भारत माता की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
परम पूज्य गुरुदेव की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
वंदनीय माता जी की बोलो
जय 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 जयकार हो।
एक बनेंगे
एक बनेंगे
हम सुधरेंगे bring the change. If you want the change, then be the change. If you want the change, then be the change. ज्ञान यज्ञ की ज्योति जलाने हम घर घर में जाएंगे. नया सवेरा नया उजाला इस धरती पर लाएंगे. नया समाज बनाएंगे, नया जमाना लाएंगे. जन्म जहाँ पर हमने पाया, अन्न जहाँ का हमने खाया, वस्त्र जहाँ के हमने पहने, ज्ञान जहाँ से हमने पाया, वह है प्यारा देश हमारा. प्यारा प्यारा देश हमारा. देश की रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे. युग निर्माण कैसे होगा? व्यक्ति के निर्माण से. माँ का मस्तक ऊंचा होगा त्याग और बलिदान से. जाग गई भाई जाग गई, नारी शक्ति जाग गई. If we transform ourselves, the world will be transformed. If we reform ourselves, the world will be reformed. If you want the change, then be the change. If you want the change, then be the change. Be born again. Be born again. Be born again. Be born again. If you want the change, then be the change. If you want the change, then be the change. 21st century, bright future. 21st century, bright future. 21st century, bright future. हमारे युग निर्माण योजना सफल हो, सफल हो, सफल हो. हमारा युग निर्माण सत्संकल्प पूर्ण हो, पूर्ण हो, पूर्ण हो. 21वीं सदी उज्जवल भविष्य. 21वीं सदी का केंद्र
शांति कुंज हरिद्वार.
वंदे
देव मातरम.
वंदे
देव मातरम.
वंदे
विश्व मातरम.
बोलिए युगाधिपति महाकाल की